In this video, I'm about to compare Leonardo.AI and MidJourney to see their pros and cons. The pros of Leonardo.AI include its flexibility for users to fine-tune and customize outputs. The application allows users to customize settings according to their preferences, giving them greater control over the output. Leonardo.AI often provides access to its model without hefty subscription fees, making it accessible for individuals and small teams, especially for experimentation and early projects. Leonardo.AI supports various artistic styles and genres, allowing for creative flexibility. The cons of the Leonardo.AI are it may not offer the same level of artistic refinement, especially for more abstract or highly creative work. While Leonardo.AI is fantastic for game-related assets, it may not have the same versatility as MidJourney, which can produce a broader range of artistic styles. Some users find its community smaller, which might result in fewer tutorials and fewer user-generated resources on how to maximize the platform's potential. The pros of MidJourney are that it excels in producing incredibly detailed, creative, and often artistic images. It's particularly strong for projects that require a unique, painterly, or conceptual look, making it popular among artists and designers. Plus, it is known for producing visually stunning and creative works that often look professionally illustrated or painted, making it ideal for users seeking high-end visuals. The cons of MidJourney are that it focuses more on overall quality and creativity, but doesn't give users as many options for fine-tuning outputs. It operates on a subscription basis, which may be prohibitive for users who want to experiment without making a financial commitment. It may take some time for users unfamiliar with Discord-based workflows to get comfortable with the platform. If you prioritize ease of use and affordability, Leonardo.AI might be the better choice. For those who need top-tier, visually striking results, MidJourney could be worth the investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.